Hello, I am Prasanna Joshi, founder director of CADCAMGURU. In 1998, I started CADCAMGURU. That was the period when we were about to enter this new 21st century. That time, a lot of new technology was being developed and introduced in the industry. The industry was desperately looking for trained manpower to effectively use this new technology like CAD/CAM. On the other side, there were young engineers who were looking for their career opportunities. That was the gap. I decided to build a bridge to fill that gap, and I started CADCAMGURU with that intention. We developed our own value-added training programs with the help of industry and academic experts. We started with a small training center of 300 square feet in Kothurud. We got excellent response from industry and young engineers. Now in 2023, we are completing 25 years of CADCAMGURU. There have been a lot of challenges in these 25 years, but we are a strong team. We could handle them well.
Hello, I am Chetan Madki. I am an academic head and corporate training coordinator at CCG. I have 9+ years of experience in this design training domain. Last year, we have launched Domain Design Expert new series of courses, in which we have 3 main offerings: DDX Single, DDX Plus and DDX Ultimate. Since I am working as a corporate training coordinator and corporate trainer, I understood changes that are happening in mechanical design industry. So to match industry expectations, we designed a new courses. So our course offers domain-centric training, industry standard projects, hands-on learning on CAD softwares. In CAD software training, we cover foundation, advanced and domain-centric approaches. Apart from this, we cover theoretical topics like drawing fundamental, engineering fundamental, GD&T and GD&T applications, etc. and detailed BIW and plastic domain theory as well. As we know, experiential learning is the great way to learn, explore and understand the theoretical concepts and design considerations. Hence, we have developed a fully equipped BIW, plastic and casting forging lab.
In 2016, we moved to our new corporate building of CADCAMGURU at Dhankavdi in Pune. This has the best-in-class facilities and infrastructure for students. In past 25 years, CADCAMGURU has grown in all aspects. We have training centers in Chinchwad, Hadapsar, Kothurud, Nagar Road and Baramati area. In 2019, we started similar value-added training programs in industrial automation. We have excellent laboratory with latest technologies like PLCs, SCADA, HMI, drives, pneumatics, etc.
Hi, I am Pradnya. I am working as industrial automation trainer in CADCAMGURU. So industrial automation is exponentially growing field. Generally, we get students from electronics, electrical and instrumentation streams. Keeping this in mind, we have designed our syllabus. So here we start with theory, that is basics knowledge of electrical and electronics. Then we move to software based simulation on different brands of PLC, HMI and SCADA like Siemens, Allen Bradley, Delta, Fuji and Mitsubishi. We have multiple brands so that students can confidently work on any brands when they work in industry. And then whatever knowledge students gain from theory and simulation, they do it practically with hands-on experience on every topic taught.
Hi, I am Tejas Dixit and I have a total work experience of nearly 13 years, and in CADCAMGURU automation section I work as a senior faculty. Recently our students have done a project based on traffic signal. So there they have assumed that there are two roads, both roads are one ways. So when they intersect with each other, our passed out students are working in different industries like medium scale, large scale and small scale industries, and they are working in different sectors like pharmaceutical manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, special purpose machine manufacturing, foundries, and some of them are working with the system integrator also. In future we are willing to include IoT also in our syllabus.
Hello, I am Gururaj Kulkarni, working as a placement and business development manager in CADCAMGURU since 7.5 years. Students at CADCAMGURU comes with a great ambition and hopes. So I make sure that each and every candidate in CADCAMGURU will get maximum placement opportunities. Students work really hard to get place in good MNCs. So we support them in each and every steps for preparation of CAD test, technical interviews. We also support them emotionally and give confidence. This is how we build their career into mechanical design and industrial automation. I feel really proud when they get selected, when they receive their offer letter from the companies.
Our biggest achievement is our past students. More than 5,000 of them have crossed this bridge and started their careers. Many of them are leaders in the industry. My happiest moment in CADCAMGURU is when I get sweets from young students who start their career. I feel proud when I meet my past students who have made great engineering careers. Our students feel CADCAMGURU is their family. They keep on visiting us and they share their knowledge, expertise with our students.